Understanding Fold in the Eggs, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in cooking, fold in the eggs. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or simply looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video will clarify what this phrase means and how to use it in context. Let's get cracking. Fold in the eggs is a culinary term often found in recipes, particularly when making delicate dishes like soufflés or certain types of cakes. Folding is a gentle mixing method used to combine light, airy ingredients, like beaten eggs, with a heavier mixture, without deflating the air bubbles. This technique is crucial for achieving the desired texture in many dishes. 1. Fold. This word is key. Folding is different from regular mixing. It's a slow, deliberate process where one ingredient is laid over another and then combined in a gentle, circular motion, usually with a spatula. 2. In the eggs. In this context, eggs typically refers to eggs that have been beaten or whisked, incorporating air and becoming fluffy. This light texture is what we aim to preserve while folding. Folding in eggs correctly can make or break a recipe. It's all about preserving the air in the beaten eggs. This air is what gives many baked goods their light, fluffy texture. If you mix too vigorously, you'll lose the air and, consequently, the desired fluffiness of the dish. Let's look at some common recipes where you'll encounter this technique. Soufflés. Here, folding in the eggs is crucial for achieving that iconic rise. Mousses and custards. To keep the airy texture, gentle folding is key. Cakes, like sponge or angel food cake. The light, airy texture of these cakes comes from correctly folded eggs. And there you have it. Fold in the eggs is more than just a phrase, it's an essential technique in the culinary world. And now you know exactly what it means and why it's important. We hope this video helps you in both your cooking adventures and in understanding English phrases better. Happy cooking and learning!